Welcome, today we're going to show you how to clean up C drive in Windows 11. So the first thing that you can do is to open the start menu as you from here and search for disk clean. So as you from here, here's the disk cleanup. You need to click on it and now you need to choose the drive. So we need to choose the C drive as you from here and hit on OK. After that, the app will open from here. You need to just select all of these things from here. So this is just temporary files, a recycle bin, and other stuff that you don't actually need. So you need to just choose it all and then click on clean up system files. Choose the C drive again. So now it will tell you, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files and as you from here it will be deleted. So the next thing that you need to do is to open the start menu from here and then you need to search for the settings app. After that, you need to go to system and then you need to open the storage section. So from here you need to turn on storage sense. So this will do the things that we already done with the cleanup app automatically. So you don't need to do it every now and then. Also, if you click on apps section as you from here and click on installed apps. So now from here you can actually clean up the apps that you don't want. So if you click on the sort by and then click on size large to small, you will see the highest or largest apps that you have installed and you can just uninstall it if you don't use it. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.